I hope you know that I have a honey hole challenge coming up. And what's a honey hole? Well, it's where you're gonna go to make your money, honey. It's also where you're gonna be able to be the queen bee of one neighborhood, all right? And just like there's all of these faucets and all of these shower heads and all of these options over here at the Home Depot so that you can, make your house fancy and pretty and shiny and new like all of these, I want to help you become a really great real estate investor so that when you walk down this aisle and somebody walks up to you and says, do you need help? You can say, actually, I've already made all the decisions. I know what my honey hole likes. I know what the people in my honey hole are looking for. I know the market analysis. I know what's going on so that I can make these decisions and be confident. Not only are you going to be confident when you're fixing and flipping properties, because sometimes, you need to put a new faucet in a place. Sometimes if you're renting a property, then the faucets go bad. And I want you to put something good in, not just what's cheap. The same with a honey hole. I want you to go where the good properties are. I want you to go where you feel happy and safe and established. I want you to have confidence when you're buying these houses, when you're doing these deals. I don't want you to walk into an aisle here and not understand the plumbing. And I don't want you to walk into a seller's house and say, I don't know, maybe I could sort of kind of buy your house. No, I want you to have a confidence to know that this is your honey hole, this is how you buy houses, and this is how you get your deals done so that you can help sellers. Sellers are gonna have a lot more confidence in you when you have more confidence in you. All right, so join our free 5-day challenge, our honey hole challenge coming up so that you can be super duper confident when you're in the plumbing aisle, picking out the pretties, or when you're in the seller's kitchen, saving their life, saving their marriage, and helping them improve their living situation. So click the link, drop your email address, and join us for the free 5-day honey hole challenge. Coming up soon. See y'all there. Great stuff over here, huh?